This was the ongoing joke of musical dreams.
They are playing Shrek the Musical.
It is my life.
I'm like,
This is all I need.
they're playing Shrek the Musical. I don't know if you can see over in the distance over there, but pretty sure that's Cuba. This is Susan.
Hello.
And this is Raphael. Wait, why are we going down? We're supposed to be going up.
I thought we were going to.
What? You pressed the down button.
You pressed that.
It's okay. We'll be okay. Everything will be fine. Okay, that is the correct direction.
If it's bad weather, Princess Kate, what do you think's happening if we're about to sink?
Well, no, it's just because it's like really rough and uncomfortable. I keep forgetting that today is Easter.
Merry Easter. Happy Easter.
Do you want to take the not moving people mover or the carpet?
Not more people mover.
Okay. Sounds good, man.
I think it's a bad combination for me to be up this high and drunk.
I know, like they're gonna be stumbling everywhere.
That's some pretty lights.
There's another cruise ship over there trying to steal my swag. The boat is definitely moving about now. Free ice cream everywhere.
Yeah.
You need to stop doing that. We're watching the Lego movie to help us get all swag. Like, look at that. Pretty swag. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework.
So James,
Emily.
how is those cookies?
So I'm real curious what that nightclub looks like in the nighttime, so I'm gonna go check it out.